OEM 63V 45300 13 4D. Lower unit assembly from Ice Marine is a complete Gearcase solution designed to efficiently transfer engine power to the propeller while ensuring smooth and reliable operation on the water. Built in a long shaft configuration, it provides proper depth and alignment for boats requiring higher transoms, improving stability and performance. It is primarily designed for Yamaha 2-stroke 9.9 to 15 HP outboards, including models like 9.9 FMH, 13.5 HP, and 15 FMH, and is also compatible with similar engines from Parsun, Hidea, and Powertec. Finished in Yamaha gray or black and weighing approximately 5.3 kilograms, this durable assembly is engineered to withstand harsh marine conditions while maintaining proper gear engagement and efficient power transmission. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, delivers premium aftermarket marine parts you can trust. Visit iceboatparts.com, email sellericemarine.c, or contact via WhatsApp at +886 966 468 632.